Ever wondered how bakeries get their pound cake that rich and moist? The secret's out, and it's hiding in your fridge. Today we are making a cream cheese pound cake, so soft, so buttery, it will have your guests thinking you bought it from a gourmet bakery. In a mixing bowl, sieve flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sieve it well and keep it aside. Use an electric mixer or a beater. Beat the butter on high speed until smooth and creamy for about a minute. Add orange zest and castor sugar. Beat on high speed until combined. About 1 minute. Scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. Then beat on medium speed for about a minute to make sure everything is properly mixed together. On low speed, beat the eggs one at a time, allowing each to fully mix in before adding the next. Now, scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula. Add vanilla essence and beat on a medium speed for about a minute. Scrape down sides and base of the bowl. Add cream cheese and beat on medium speed. This will also help lighten the texture of the cake batter. Add the dry ingredients in 3 parts. Using a spatula, gently mix it until combined. Do not overmix. Gently fold the batter until just combined. Now, on a low speed, beat the batter to make sure there are no lumps at the bottom of the bowl. Beat for only 30 seconds. The batter will be very thick and very creamy. Grease a butter paper. Lay it in a cake tin or a loaf pan. Spoon batter evenly into a loaf pan. Tap the pan gently to release any air bubbles. Bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for 40 minutes. Check it by inserting a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, then it's cooked. Allow the cake to slightly cool in the pan before removing it. Transfer the cake to a cooling rack. Slice the cake as desired and serve with a cup of your favorite coffee or tea. You can refrigerate the cake for a week, or you can freeze it if cling wrapped properly. Decorate with frosting of your choice. Here I have dusted with powdered sugar. So friends, if you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.